Welcome to an exclusive sneak peek at the most anticipated Porsche release of the decade. Get ready to witness the evolution of an icon as we unveil the groundbreaking 2025 Porsche 911. The legendary 911 is about to undergo a transformation unlike any before. With over 61 years of heritage, Porsche is breaking new ground by introducing a hybrid powertrain to the iconic 911 lineup. Frank Moser, Vice President Model Line 911 and 718, expressed the significance of this milestone. For the first time in our icon's history, we are installing a hybrid drive system in a road-going 911. This innovative performance hybrid makes the 911 even more dynamic. But this isn't just any hybrid. Porsche's engineers have meticulously fine-tuned the powertrain to deliver unparalleled performance. With its performance hybrid setup, the 2025 Porsche 911 is ready to redefine what it means to drive a sports car. From the outside, the 2025 911 retains the timeless design elements that have made it an automotive icon. But under the hood, a new era is dawning. The hybrid powertrain seamlessly integrates electric assistance, delivering blistering acceleration and unmatched efficiency. Jörg Bergmeister, Porsche test driver and brand ambassador, shared his insights. We have more grip, significantly more power, and the spontaneous response of the performance hybrid is a great advantage. Whether you're tearing up the racetrack or cruising through the city streets, the 2025 Porsche 911 offers a driving experience like no other. With enhanced agility, precision, and performance, every journey behind the wheel is an adrenaline-fueled adventure. Get ready to witness the future of driving. The 2025 Porsche 911 is coming soon, and it's set to revolutionize the world of sports cars. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button below to stay updated on the latest automotive news, reviews, and exclusive content. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting videos with you in the future. Thanks for watching!